look how big it is. I don't think I ever wore these again. August 11th. You know, just swoop it on. Can anyone relate? Found my fanny pack. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I woke up today feeling pretty chaotic. I decided that I would start a new challenge here on YouTube. So I'm sure that you've seen a lot of influencers on here doing hauls of their luxury goods. You're tired of it, and frankly I am too. Today we're going to haul things that are under my bed. This challenge was kind of inspired by all the cleaning videos I've been watching. Obviously we've all been stuck at home, we've been in bed, rotting, well, some of us. Some people have been waking up at 6 a.m. and getting everything done. I frankly am not one of those people. I've been in bed, I want to say at least 78% of the whole quarantine. Just sometimes I'm like running to the bathroom in the middle of the night and the thing will just, it'll be yeeted under the bed. I inquire all my YouTube friends and anyone who wants to do this challenge, either on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever the heck you want. I'm gonna need you to go under your bed, drag out all your disgusting trash. We're gonna Marie Kondo it and take our life back, okay? We're done throwing things under the bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start digging things from under my bed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just start reaching for random stuff under your bed. This is honestly like pretty disgusting. Oh, hello, Rihanna. Oh no. What is in here? Oh. Ew. Disgusting. You gotta really get in there. I'll just stop it here because I clearly don't have the proper equipment to film something like this. So I'll meet you at the haul portion of this video. Bye. The first item I pulled from under my bed, of course, a classic Cheeto moment. Are these still good? August 11th. Kind of sad that I let these roll under the bed. I also found something very important. A That's Hot hairpin. I bought this because I was trying to live my Paris Hilton fantasy, but it just didn't look good on me. And also it just, I don't know, like I don't have enough hair, but I'm pretty sure I gave one away. So I only have one left. Empty bag of Ruffles. Honestly, my favorite flavor. Can anyone relate to the iconic thing under my bed? Miss Rihanna. So Remy gave me this giant bug, like literally look how big it is. And it's so heavy. And I had no idea where to put it. So for safekeeping, I've been holding it under my bed. Miss Rihanna is everyone's queen. And how dare I shove her under the bed. She is going on my coffee table immediately. I then found these sunglasses. I wore these to Rumchella once and I don't think I ever wore these again. They're kind of a mood. Oh wow. You can kind of see the dust on them from rotting under my bed. Also, this rolled under my bed too. This is a velour lip scrub by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Can I just say, I love these. These taste like candy. I sometimes like leave a little extra on my lips and eat it. Is that weird? They smell incredible. Are we surprised it's Jeffree Star? You know, if Jeffree Star's name on it, it is quality. Then that's just the tea. We have a lollipop, strawberry basil, seed bearing. So I can plant this and, ooh, almost knocked over my lights. I can plant this and a flower will bloom. My favorite thing in this world is a good full coverage concealer. Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape is one of the best concealers I think I've ever used. It will hide your past. It will hide your criminal history. I went to a Tarte event and they gave me this like little like bedazzled cap. If you're a Shape Tape gal or boy, you can switch out the little cap. I like to personally do like a bunch of coats. Like I want to say like at least 10 pumps. Get it nice and thick and then, you know, just swoop it on. Then you're ready for your day. Also, I found my fanny pack when I went to a music festival, and inside there is hair chalk, which this kind of works, but it just like gets all over the place, especially if you sweat. So don't recommend if you're gonna be sweating at a festival. We also have a beauty blender blot. You dab her on and she just gets rid of all the oil on your face. Love her work. We also have a fun dip wrapper. I wasn't gonna show any trash, but me eating these honestly just proves that I am trash, so why not? Oh my gosh. Did you guys hear that? You see this? It's falling as the video progresses. By the end of the video, there's not gonna be anything left on my wall. I swear, every time I try to restick it, I use putty, I use mounting tape, it just keeps falling off. I don't know what to do at this point. So I found a Bath & Body Works room spray. I'm kind of obsessed with these because in case I don't want to like waste a candle, but I want my room to smell nice, I'll just do 2 pumps of these. She's really strong. Honestly, I should have done 1 pump. I also found a random packet of honey peanut butter. Honestly, kind of a mood. This is an Instax printer. So you know how people have those cute little small Polaroids? Just a little life hack. You can edit your photos and then you can print them and then put them on your wall. You can, you know, tune yourself a little bit. So if you're into Polaroids as a decor piece, I recommend this because you can put in aesthetic filler images if you don't really have a lot of friends. You guys already know that I love crystals and I think they're so beautiful. I actually bought this little portable phone charger that's shaped like a crystal and I'm pretty sure it glows when you plug it in. I also found my Animal Crossing game casing or whatever this is called, but we stand Animal Crossing in this house. I've been so addicted, but weirdly enough, I haven't played in like 2 days, which is very unlike me. I hope I'm feeling okay. I also have a little glow me ring light. The back is missing. Classic Ollie. Does it work? Ooh. Also, one of my favorite masks I found under my bed, and there's still a little bit left. I'm definitely gonna utilize that. It's the Purifying Claudelie mask. It has zinc in it, and it kind of just kills any acne bacteria, and it smells really good, so highly recommend her. You know what? Me throwing things already. Things are just gonna end up under my bed again. I hope this video is interesting because I honestly don't even know what the heck is happening. When I found this under my bed, I was so excited. My fresh sugar caramel hydrating lip balm. It smells like if you take some caramel and kind of melt it and put it on top of your lip. Who doesn't like a little snack? I also found a cute little croc keychain. This is just adorable. I'm pretty sure that Remy's aunt got me this in a Christmas stocking, so thanks for that. Love her. Also, under my bed, I found one of my friend's Christmas presents that I still haven't given them. Some of you guys know Mr. Eli, and he is obsessed with Disney and his little Disney facts, and Family Feud is also his favorite TV show, so I thought it was the perfect gift, and sorry for spoiling your Christmas gift, but you still haven't picked it up for me. You guys, I would love if you tagged me and what's under your bed and what you've been hiding, and also follow my Instagram while you're at it so we can chat. I found my iPhone box. Does anyone else unnecessarily hoard their electronics packaging? Because I just like never throw mine away for some reason until I get rid of my phone, so love that for me. I also found my Nurse Jamie under eye massager. I've been looking for this and I honestly love this. So you just kind of go like this and it vibrates, and you do this 1 time a day and it really flattens the under eye. I have terrible under eye bags, so honestly anything helps at this point. I also found my trusty lint roller. If you wear black all the time like me, you need like 12 of these in your house. Also, I found my Milk Brow Gel, which I freaking love these, and they're so pigmented but natural. I use the color Grind on my brows and it gives me a nice like black tint. Also found a treasure, Miss Tatcha Dewy Skin Luminous Mist. I don't even know how this ended up under my bed. She's so bougie. A little dewy moment never hurt nobody, you know what I mean? Also very tacky of me, I found a Gucci shoe bag. Don't know why I kept this. I probably just thought it was really cool. In case you guys are wondering, this has fallen, these 2 have fallen, and all of this row has fallen. That is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Can you believe it's my 4th video now? What the heck? I hope you enjoyed all of like the random stuff. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share with a friend. Tag your favorite YouTubers who are honestly chaotic enough to do this tag and do it seriously. And of course, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye everyone! My throat's still burning from the Cheeto. Why do I do this to myself?